Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the new Oppo A96, and this is a new mid-range phone from Oppo which is costing around 42,000 PKR in Pakistan market. In this price range, we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. On the back, we have some more specification about the phone, and this phone has a 33 watt fast charging. Also, we have 5000 mAh battery size. Again, we have 8GB of RAM. This phone also has a Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. And the color I have is a sunset blue color. And this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. In this video, we're gonna unbox the Oppo A96. Now let's see that what is Oppo has to offer in this phone. So first, let me remove the plastic like this. And this phone also available in the black color. And the blue color of the Oppo A96 is really beautiful. So on the top we are getting a plastic. As you can see, it is the box of the Oppo A96. Looks very similar to the Oppo A76. Now let's open this box like this. On the top we are getting a one more mini box. Inside of this box we have a SIM injection tool. Also, we have quick start guide as well as a warranty card. We also get a soft silicone case, and you can see, and the sides of this case is matte, and you can see. So here is the device, Oppo A96. Now let's start the phone from this box again, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Oppo A96. And this phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, which is not the fastest chipset in this price range. Now let's remove this. And guys, here is the Oppo A96 looks like in the sunset blue color, and you can see on the back we have matte finish. Although the back it is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector which is already installed on this phone. Now let's see what test we get and then the phone. And the first thing, we are getting a cable which is a USB type C to USB A cable. Also we have charger. And guys, and this is a 33 watt fast charger, and you can see, so we are getting a fast charging with this phone. No headphones inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Oppo A96. Now first, let me show the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot on this phone. Yes, you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. On the top we have a noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have a power on button in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. On the back we had dual cameras on this phone. That's really disappointing. We are getting a dual cameras. We have 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have 2 megapixel depth sensor. Again, and the camera setup on this phone, it is not really good. We should see a 8 megapixel ultra wide. On the front we have 6.5 inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. On the top we also have punch hole on the left hand side, and the bezels around the display, it is also very decent on this phone. And the frame of this phone is rounded, not flat. Now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Oppo A96, and you can see, and guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that yes, and the IPS LCD display on this phone looks really good on this phone as far as the colors are concerned. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. Let's see Android version. This phone is running on Android 11, and that's really disappointing. We should see Android 12 on this phone. Also this phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. And also we have 128GB of internal storage out of 109GB. It is available for you guys. We have ColorOS version 11.1. We have 90Hz refresh rate. On default it is on auto. I prefer all the time 90Hz because the auto option, it is not really optimized on these phones in my opinion. Now let's look at the camera. So here's the camera UI looks like on this phone. Again, we have 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera, no ultra wide. Now let's see video recording size. The back camera, maximum shoot Full HD at 30 fps. We also have night mode. We also have AI mode. We also have portrait mode in the mode section. We also have slow motion on this phone, so that's really good thing. We also have Pro Expert mode, extra HDR. We also have panorama. All those things it is available on this phone. No ultra wide, no macro on this phone. Only we have dual cameras. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera. So here is the front facing camera looks like on this phone. Now let's see video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera also shoots full HD at 30 fps. Front camera also has a night mode. We also have portrait mode with the front camera. The slow motion it is not available with the front camera. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. And the fingerprint scanner speed it is really fast on this phone. Also we have single speaker on this phone, which is also not the best on this phone. Now let's talk about the battery size. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 33 watt fast charging, and the battery life on this phone will be really good on this phone because we have Snapdragon 680, which is based on 6nm architecture. We should see a much powerful processor on this phone. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo A96. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.